Hi friends, today I'm going to explain what is print statement in Python. So print statement in Python is used to print the items on the screen, or it is used to print the variables on the screen. So what is variable in Python means variable will store some value in it. Suppose if you want to declare any value, you can store that in the variables, and that variable can be displayed on the screen by using the print statement. So presently I'm opening Python in my system. So you need to have a Python installed in your system. So I'm typing Python and open the Python IDE. So once you click on that, so it will open you the Python IDE environment for you. So once a Python IDE environment is opened, that is CLI environment, so then I will show you what is the use of print statement. So this is the Python IDE. Okay, so here I'm explaining print if you want to print something. So I'm saying hello, how are you? So I want to print this, and I'm closing this bracket. So when I press enter, so that hello, how are you will be displayed on the screen. So whatever you want to print, you should enclose in the double quotation marks, or you can enclose in the single quotation marks. So I will show you print. Again I am saying happy Sunday. I want to print this. So instead of double quotation marks, I will provide you single quotation marks. So see here, I'm providing single quotation marks. When I press enter, so that will be displayed on the screen. So if I doesn't provide double quotation marks or single quotation marks, you will get error. So what is the error you will get? I will show you. So print. So if I'm not providing anything, hello world. So here inside the print statement, I am not providing any single quotation or double quotation. So when I try to enter, so it will give you the error, that is invalid syntax. Okay, so in order to print on the screen, in the print statement should enclose it in the inside the print state function. You need to enclose the content in double quotation marks or single quotation marks. Now see here again, when I say print and single quotation marks hello world. Now I'm closing that single quotation marks, press enter. Now see here, it has been executed successfully. So in this way, print statement help us to print the statements on the screen. Suppose let's consider variable. So variable is used to store some value in it in Python. So let's say I want to store some number. I'm saying hello equal to 25. So this 25 is an integer. So when I press enter, it doesn't print anything on the screen. So if I want to print this number on the screen, so then you can say print and single quote. You can say, if I say hello, let's see if it prints or not. It prints. Why? Because it is hello is nothing but a variable. So without providing single quotation marks or double quotation marks, whenever you try to print the variable, it will print the value on the screen. If it is not a variable, then you will get error like invalid syntax. Okay, otherwise you will get that variable is not defined. Suppose if I say again suppose if I want to print the string on the screen, so you can store in variables, you can store integer values, you can store variable values also, like string values also. Let's see, I'm defining good equal to, I'm storing the string value in good. So strings are represented by in single quotation marks. I'm saying good equal to, I'm saying fine. So here I'm storing the fine value in the good variable. So when I am enclosing in single quotation marks, it is considered as a variable. So I'm pressing enter. So it is not printing anything on the screen. So I want to print this variable on the screen. So I am enclosing in the print statement function. So when I press enter, now see here it is displaying the value fine, which is nothing but a string. So we can declare the variables as integers, we can declare the variables as strings. So in this way we will use the print statement to print some value on the screen, and at the same time you can print the variable values on the screen by using the print statement. So here so that's all for today. Thanks for joining. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section.